Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a page on SharePoint using the web version of Microsoft 365. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the SharePoint site where you want to create the page. You'll need edit permissions or site member access for this to work. Once your site loads, look at the top command bar and click the plus new button. A drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, click on Page. This opens the template selection interface. You'll see a gallery of page templates. There's a blank option along with several pre-designed templates for different types of content. Pick whichever template fits what you're building. If you're starting fresh, the blank template gives you an empty canvas. Once you've selected your template, click the Create Page button at the bottom right of the panel. The page editing interface opens. At the top, you'll see a field that says Add a title. Click in that area and type your page name. This is required to save the page. Your title appears as you type. Now, let's add some content. Hover your mouse just below the title area. A line with a circled plus icon appears. Click that plus icon. The toolbox panel opens on the right side, showing all the available web parts. You can add text, documents, video, and more. Click on any web part to insert it onto your page. You can add as many as you need by clicking the plus icon again between sections. If you want to customize a web part, click on it. A settings panel appears on the right where you can configure how it looks and behaves. You can also add new sections by selecting the plus icon and choosing a layout for that section, single column, 2 columns, whatever works for your content. If you decide you don't want a web part or section, just select it and choose delete. Once you've built out your page and you're happy with it, look at the top right corner. You'll see a Publish button. Click Publish to make the page visible to your audience. The page goes live, and anyone with access to your site can view it. If you're not ready to publish yet, you can click Save as Draft instead. This saves your work, but the page stays private until you decide to publish it later. A couple of quick tips: all your pages are automatically stored in the Pages library on your site, so you can always go back and edit them later. And after you publish, you can promote your page by clicking Promote at the top and choosing to post it as news on your site's homepage if you want more visibility. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.